What's up guys, welcome to Djmadder. So today I kind of crashed my drone, as you saw from right there. It is this drone right here that's taking all of these beautiful shots. It is a $1,500 drone, which really sucks on my end because luckily I had DJI Carry Fresh. So then I could get a new one for like $120 when that's originally $1,500. But like I was saying, I did crash it. It kind of really sucks, but like life's gonna be life, and 39 feet into a tree is also going to suck 35 miles per hour. But so here's the footage of right here where I kind of crashed it. Kind of showed you that, but there's the footage. And here's the footage right here of what type of drone, and then there's the footage right there of me absolutely wrecking it. So what else can you guys ask for, am I right? And then here's me boxing it into UPS, and that's when it's going to arrive. So it's going to arrive tomorrow. It's currently January 3rd at 12:50 a.m. because I am a night vlogger, so I do all of these mostly at nighttime. I do have an amazing video coming up like really soon in February. I cannot wait for those to be pushed out. It is going to be 3 freaking days of just straight videos. So those are going to be being pushed out. I'm also going to be starting my YouTube channel back up because I needed to. And yeah, so like y'all are about to get new content, y'all are about to get new things. I'm so excited to do this. If you haven't been to my channel before, make sure you subscribe, because like I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2024, because I didn't do that in 2023, and I decided in 2024 to absolutely just do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also, my phone just died, and that's where the footage was coming from, so that's why probably everything just switched. But like I was saying, if you haven't been here, please subscribe. So like I was saying, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me show you some other clips, and here we go. Okay guys, so I'm back with this video pulling off. It is currently January 4th. It is the next day. We do have some updates. It is 11:41 p.m. Like I said, I'm a night person. I usually do these things at nighttime. But like I was saying, they got the drone today at like 12 p.m. and then they shipped a new one out instantly, like instant service. Absolutely love DJI for that. And then we're gonna get our new one Monday, January 8th by 9 p.m. as you guys can see on this screen right here. If you can see it, if you can't, I'm gonna just show you a screenshot right there. But here's the screenshot of everything. If you are seeing this, it says on its way, label created Monday, January 8th. And then we have this exact location from where I am. So that's perfect. They do ship it, if you guys are wondering. They do ship it in a UPS second day air, which is really good. Like I said, if you're not seeing this screen recording, it will be on a thing. But like I said, they do ship it on UPS second day air. Not really sure why it's 4 pounds, wondering if they sent me an entirely new thing. It's a package, and it was built on 1/4/24. But yeah, and then we got the shipping progress. It is on its way. There's one more above that, but it's on its way, guys, and I will touch back with you if I get any more updates for January 8th. I'll probably be rolling through some clips showing you that it's coming here. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut to that. Peace. We are back. This is the day I sent it in. This is the day I received it. We can go ahead and unbox this. As you guys can saw, I just got the brand new RC remote right here. We do have a 2-camera setup, so you guys can see my face, and you can just see this camera right here. So. Alright guys, so we are back. Unfortunately, I lost the footage. My MacBook decided not to record it off, but I do have the drone right here. It is a AIR2S. It came perfectly in the mail, just like my old one. This is a brand new AIR2S. It came with this. It came with this box right here. It came with some other accessories and things. So if you do a DJI Carry Fresh, it's a brand new drone. Like, they send you a brand new drone no matter what. Because as you guys know, mine was a refurbished unit, and this is a brand new drone. So that is honestly a plus for me, because I only paid $120 for a brand new AIR2S. This is what it looks like, brand new. I added some of my stickers back to it, and then I just flew it. That's some footage from me flying it. Everything works perfectly well. I mean, I'm happy. I got my drone back. I got a brand new DJI RC that's coming out. A new video on the 20th. So that's coming out soon, and then yeah, so that's about it. It's the drone. It is a brand new drone with gimbal cover. It comes with everything except the battery. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It has officially been Djmadder. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. bye.